Thrust levers are now set to idle. This turns the autothrust off. Note that on the FMA, the white autothrust indication is no longer displayed. The FMA autothrust column is blank. On the FCU, the autothrust push button is now extinguished. We have just seen how to turn the autothrust off by setting the thrust levers back to idle for landing. The recommended procedure to set the autothrust off in flight in order to avoid any thrust change at autothrust disconnection is 1. Move the thrust levers back so that the thrust lever position symbol roughly matches the present N1 or EPR. 2. Press the instinctive disconnect push button located on the thrust levers. Note: pressing at least one push button for more than 15 seconds will inhibit the autothrust for the remainder of the flight, including alpha floor protection. When the autothrust is off during flight, in order to turn it on again, press the autothrust push button on the FCU, with the thrust levers in or below climb detent. Note: you can disconnect the autothrust by pressing the autothrust push button on the FCU. This is not the standard recommended procedure.